we are going to be see the chapter 3 overview. Chapter 3, the image restoration. So the chapter 1, the introduction, and the 2, how to enhance the image. Then the restoration. The restoration means the name itself we have to be understood easily. Whenever the image get degraded during the transmission from one place to another place or from one device to another device, whenever we try to transfer the image, that time if the image get any degradation, it affects the quality. Then how we have to be get back? How we have to be handle that kind of situation in order to make it in order to preserve the quality. In this aspect, we have to be done the restoration technique. So a model of the image degradation and the restoration process. Whenever the image is going to be involving in the transmission channel, that time if there is a chance to make it the quality become poor. It's a chance for degradation. So the degradation means some more additional signals, some signals that will impose on the transmission channel. This occasion, there is a chance the image get degraded. Some of the portions will get corrupted due to this kind of noise that imposed on the transmission channel. So noise means here we know very well the undesired or irrelevant properties or attributes that impose on the existing quality image. So what are the type of noise? What are the different types of noise in the noise models? Then how the restoration will be going to be implemented in order to get back the original one. So the same aspect, the spatial filtering category, how we are going to be apply this one. Invariant degradation, estimating the degradation function and to apply the inverse filtering in order to get back the original image. And also we are going to be apply some of the specialized techniques, minimum mean square error filtering, constraint least square filtering, geometric mean filter, geometric information. What we have to be do in order to make it get back the original one at the time of degradation, because on this lecture that has to be especially concentrate on how to restore the quality, how to restore the quality of the image during the transmission. What is the image restoration? Noise and images, noise models, different type of noise removal techniques in the spatial domain filtering aspect. So what we have to be discussed in the name of restoration means, after the regular class, there are different type of noise models. What are the different type of Gaussian noise model, Rayleigh exponential, uniform, and impulse. So these are the different type of noise models that happen during the transmitting time, during the transmission of image from one node to another node like that. So in this aspect, what we are going to do in order to restore the image, in order to restore the quality, we have to be applied the filtering. So the filtering that can be used to remove. So one of the mechanism, there are different type of filtering aspects proposed by spatial domain filtering. Very few we are going to be discussing here as per the curriculum. The geometric mean, harmonic mean, and contradictionary mean. The mean square method. And some of the important points that has to be specified in order one more, the important thing is band pass filter. Band pass filters. Removing periodic noise from an image that can be achieved with the band accepted or band rejected, because we are having a standard error during the transmission time of the image from one device to another device or one place to another. Whenever we receive that image at the receiving side, we have to be comparing with the standard error. If it below the standard error or equal to standard error, then there is no need to go for the restoration. Suppose if we exceed the standard error, then we get back the original one in order to avoid the poor quality of image transmission to the channel. So in this chapter, how we have to be expected the question is, what are the different type of noise models? What is the concept, or explain the concept in image restoration with examples? What are the different type of noise models? You have to be discussed any time. Gaussian or Rayleigh, like the example given. Any two type or any three types, you have to be explained with examples. Then what are the different type of filtering techniques in the aspect of spatial domain filtering? What are the different type of filtering techniques that can be used to perform the noise removal? Noise removal in the image of in the image, because it is also applicable for the data also, but we have to get here the image concept. So what is the meaning of noise? What is the concept of image restoration? What are the different techniques for the filtering aspect in order to remove the noise? Different type of noise models. These are some of the important expected. Thank you.